Hey guys, welcome back to Mila B's channel.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am going to be using the Modelones Polygel kit. So first things first, this was my first time ever using this brand. The first color that came in the kit was light apricot. The next color was a nude. This next color is the color changing one, which is clear and pink. And then the next one was pure white, soft pink, and last but not least, light pink. This kit also came with a nail file, which was 180-100 nail grit. And it also came with these nail forms or dual forms. And also I received these instructions that came with the kit. They gave you step-by-step tutorial just in case you're new to this. It also came with slip solution, but I think during the shipping process, it must have leaked out because it was like barely any left and the kit was wet when I opened it. But oh well, just, it was enough in there for me to at least try it out. It came with a base gel as well as the top coat gel. It also came with some rhinestones, like some little purple and clear looking ones, a mix, and some blue glitter, which I wasn't even about to fool with because I am the queen of making messes. But anyways, here are the swatches again. And I'm just going to come in, I'm going to rough up my nails, just get the surface ready and dehydrate them and just get my nails prepped and primed to start doing them. So next I'm going to come in with these dual forms, and I like to go ahead and lay out all of my dual forms before I start my nails. And I just always make sure that it's slightly wider than my own nail, so that way I don't have any gaps on the side. So just, make sure that that's the case. And then I come in and I go ahead and fill in all of my nail forms before I do my nails. I like to have everything laid out perfect. The first nail, which is my thumbnail, I believe I'm working on right here, I'm just going to do just the plain color changing gel, nothing spectacular. But I started using the slip solution, which, like I said before, it wasn't very much because it must have spilled during shipping. And I honestly just wasn't a fan of the slip solution. So I came in and I switched it out for some 91% alcohol, which ended up working wonders. Now with my next nail, I decided I want to try to encapsulate, and I had a little glitter mix, just some little glitter I mixed up myself that I got from Target. I'll put that in the description box as well. So I did a really thin layer first, and then I made sure that I covered the entire form, and then I came in with my glitter and added it to my nail form. Next, I came in with a thicker layer of the Polygel to go ahead and put down as my base, because remember, we're working in reverse with these dual forms. So I just lightly patted it in to make sure that I didn't move around my glitter too much that I had in, and just made an even layer so that would be good to go. Next, I come in with the base gel and I cure it for 30 seconds. And then I begin placing my nail forms on my nails. When you place your nail forms on your nails, make sure you don't get too close to the cuticle and that you clean up with some slip solution or alcohol around the cuticle and underneath the nail to make sure you don't have that seepage. So some of these I did really good with picking the size. One or two of them I picked a little too small of a size, so I actually had to hold them while they cured the first 15 seconds. But overall it's pretty good. And as you can see, the color change with the heat, it becomes clear, and as it cools off, it becomes pink. I file shaped and buffed my nails mainly off camera, but I'm just kind of showing you guys a little snippet of what I do. So right here, I'm just coming in and shaping the nail. I decided this time to keep them this long, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna work with my normal life, but I'm gonna try. So then I come in with my E-file and I just clean up around the cuticles. They were actually pretty good, so I didn't have too much to do, but I just like them to be really flat so they look like they're growing. They're my real nails, even though they look fake, but whatever. Then I come in and I just kind of lightly buff them a little bit to smooth them out. And then I come in with the top coat. I decided to use the rhinestones that came in the kit, but I did make sure that I went under my nails and did the top coat gel as well, because I just noticed that with the clear nails, it just gives them more of a cleaner look. So lastly, I came in with these rhinestones. I put a few around my cuticle, and I just kind of randomly did it just to give some of those plain nails just a little oomph. So that's pretty much it for this set. I really enjoyed working with this Polygel kit. I love that everything was in it. Like I said, not a fan of the slip solution, but no big deal. Just use a little alcohol and keep it moving. But everything else was actually very well. So y'all will be seeing me use this kit again. Definitely and for sure. So at the very end, I'm going to go ahead and dip my nails in some cold water so you guys can see what they look like. I did cure my nails for 30 seconds, and then I came in with this Parker J's Magic Mane oil as my cuticle oil. It's organic nail, hair, body oil, all that. So I just added that to my cuticles. I like the nails clear. I was like, okay, but let me try it in the ice water, see what they come out to look like, and I love them pink. So it's cold right now, so my nails are gonna probably be pink. And yes, I loved it. But thank y'all so much for watching. Special shout out to Modelones for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all soon. Mila B out.